Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to work in grammar. The page is the page number 78, language. Okay, we are going to make a little review about the days of the week and months of the year. Remember, the days of the week and months of the year must always begin with a capital letter. Okay, I leave you video with the days of the week. So please watch the video and then work on this page. Okay, first you have to unscramble the days of the week and write them correctly on the line. Okay, you have to unscramble the days of the week, then write them here. Okay, then in the other part, you have to complete the chart with the correct days of the week. For example, we are going to start with Saturday. Today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. Okay? And tomorrow gonna be Sunday. Okay? And you have to continue and so on. Okay? Tuesday, yesterday, Monday. Tomorrow, Wednesday. Monday, yesterday, Sunday. Tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay, today is Sunday. Yesterday, Saturday. Tomorrow, Monday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday, Tuesday. Tomorrow, Thursday. Today is Friday. Yesterday, Thursday. Tomorrow, Saturday. Okay. Today is Thursday. Okay. Yesterday, Wednesday. Okay. Tomorrow, Friday. Okay. I know that you are going to do a great job. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, a child who sings is a happy child. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.